Blue hippo, what color do you see? I see a pink pig sitting next to me. Pink pig, what color do you see? I see a green turtle sitting next to me. Green turtle, what color do you see? I see a brown monkey sitting next to me. Brown monkey, what color do you see? I see a red crab sitting next to me. Red crab, what color do you see? I see a blue whale sitting next to me. Blue whale, what color do you see? I see a white cow with black spots sitting next to me. White cow, what color do you see? I see a great elephant with pink ears sitting next to me. Great elephant, what color do you see? I see a orange tiger sitting next to me. Orange tiger, what color do you see? I see a brown lion sitting next to me. Brown lion, what color do you see? I see a yellow giraffe sitting next to me. Yellow giraffe, what color do you see? I see a black and white penguin sitting next to me. Black and white penguin, what color do you see? I see a white sheep sitting next to me. White sheep, what color do you see? I see a orange clownfish sitting next to me. Orange clownfish, what color do you see? I see all of these colors surrounding me. I see blue hippo, pink pig, green turtle, brown monkey, red crab, blue whale, black and white cow, a gray elephant, orange tiger, brown lion, yellow giraffe, black and white penguin, white sheep,